Hi, today I am going to discuss about Stats 2. I am creating the simple applications, username, password, so login applications like just username and password is match or equivalent. This is a go for the success page. Otherwise, show the some error page. Shown I have created the three JSP pages. How to structure in the Stats 2. What is the stats 2? Before that, know about the stats 2, right? Stats 2 is a framework from stats 1. Stats 1 have some drawbacks. That drawbacks overcome to the stats 2, right? Stats 2 very simplified, and the code will be reduced, right? The programmer time will be reduced, right? That's why go for the Stats 2. Stats 2 is a framework, right? What is a framework? So framework is a architectural design, is a ready-made design to provide to support the users, right? To support the user and developer, right? Simply to design the applications, is it to design the applications, right? Once you are creating the simple applications, how to run the programs, what are the content available in the simple application to create the stats 2, right? I will show it. So first one is a web page, next one is a source package, next one is a library, next one is a configuration file. So very important thing is configuration file. So configuration files in the previous JSP and servlet have the manifest and a .mf, and next one is a web.xml. So this another one file is stats.xml. This file is automatically generated at the duration of creating the web applications in stats 2, right? Next one is a library file. Why using that library file? That library files included in the jar files. I am included only the stats 2 core 2.3.1 to jar.zip, right? That file only included. So all the files is defaultly included in the library part. Next one, source package. What is a package? It's a collection of class files and the interfaces included in the package, right? What is the source package? Source package is the default package is created as I am going to create in the login page, and login.java is an action controller class, action controller java class. So what is the web pages? So web pages have the three pages. Web info have the three pages. One is the error.jsp, index.jsp, success.jsp, right? So what is the content of the error.jsp? So username means password, is success means go for get the username and so on. So they have some output message, it will be shown, right? Otherwise shown some error message. That's why using that the error.jsp, and next one is success.jsp. I will show the index.jsp coding part, right? Okay. It's a package login import com.open symfony.xwork.action support is stats imported file. Next one is a public class login action, right? Extend action support. That's why import this file, right? You got it. String, user ID and password. I am creating the two variables in the string, right? Next one is a public string get user ID. This is one method. Set user ID. This is another method. This is pass the one argument string type user ID, and get the password. Return the password. Void get the password. String pass this dot pass equal to pass. Public string execute if user ID equals of pass, right? So within pass return success, otherwise else show the error message. That's why using that. So error I will show the title of the page and h1 of the page error, and otherwise success means show the output success, right? Success s dot property value equal to URI. So yes is a tag library. I am using the tag library. This part is a percentage at tag library URI. right? URI equal to stats tag prefix. I'm creating the prefix yes. That's why I put yes dot. That's why I put yes, right? The stats.xml is a very important thing. Is a configuration.xml is a filter one. It's within web app using include the filter tag in the file name stats2 and filter class org.apache.stats2.dispatch.filter dispatch is a filter class. Next one is a filter mapping. It's a stats2 slash dot star is a all the URL is automatically executed. That's why using that slash star. And next one is a filter session config. Session config is a timeout giving the 30 seconds, right? And next one is a welcome file list. Welcome file list is a very important thing. This if you want to give that file name is consider as go for if you are occur in the user request, that file is occurred to the requested, right? That is a user requested page. If you are giving that page name is considered as the user request. That's all about it, and the simple application in the web stats.xml. Shown the some output run the file. So this is a registration form. So username and password. I'm typing the username Raja and password also that Raja. So click the login options. Success the page, get the user, the Raja is already typed the username. That's a get method user to get the username. If suppose you are typed in the password is wrongly or enter the wrong password, get the some show message in the error page. That's all about it, the stats2 concepts. We'll meet in next video the other concepts. Okay, thank you for watching.